Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy FET, the Fetch.ai coin on Coinbase. For the first step, we need to log into our account on coinbase.com, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So there are three options right on the top corner, and you can click on the buy and sell button. Click on it and the buying overview will be opened. The first option they give is the one-time purchase. Click on it and you can select a different purchase frequency like a daily, weekly, twice a month or a monthly option. For now, I will leave it on this and I will fill in the amount of fiat, the euro or dollars we are using to buy these coins. I'm using 2 euros. After that, we can select the asset we are going to buy, click on it and tick in FET. So there's the Fetch.ai coin, select it, and now you have selected the coin. For the next step, we need to select our wallet, which we are like to use for the payment of the coins. I'm using my Euro wallet, as you can see, but if you use a different currency, click on it and you can select the wallet you would like to use. If you don't have any available options, make sure you have verified your Coinbase account, and after that you can add a payment method by clicking this button below. If you have added the payment method, then you can select it in this list and head over to review order. Now Coinbase will show us some information about these coins we are going to purchase. We are buying 0.7 coins and we are spending €1.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total amount is the 2 euros we have filled in the previous overview. You also have an option to invest on a weekly base. Select it to buy it on a weekly base, so it will be bought every week at the same moment. You can cancel it anytime, and after that you can click on buy now to add the coins directly to your Coinbase wallet. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.